Good morning. We are here at Automation Expo this year, and we are presenting here our new products. We have this strain wave gears, and we have this planetary gearboxes, which is having a very precise backlash. It's less than 0.1 arc minute. That is the most precise available in the market. And we have strain wave gears with the very high rigidity and torsional stiffness and tilting stiffness in this range. So this is very highest tilting stiffness available in this market for various robotics and automation applications, as well as some defense application in this industry. So we have this Make in India concept here, and we are manufacturing major parts in India. And we are coming to Automation Expo since last 4 to 5 years, and it's a good expo. And since last many years we are participating. And please visit our stall here in hall number 3, stall